In the stillness, listening woman holds the teaching medicine of how to enter the silence, listening to the ever-present messages of nature and our hearts. We will gather in sacred circle and sisterhood on this 5th moon cycle of our 13 moons flow. Listening Woman teaches us how to enter this place of deep stillness, where we can hear our small, still voice within, which guides us to the realization of personal wholeness that is held in the voice of our inner truth. The color of this cycle is black, which represents seeking an answer. We will begin to harmonize within the recognition of all sacred points of view. We learn to listen with our hearts as well as our ears. In the yogic way, we will practice Shunya, which is a state of stillness with complete awareness. This circle will teach us to deeply listen, to hear the unspoken desires and needs that are within our hearts. We will open ourselves to enter the stillness together, expressing our personal truths and true feelings. As always, in the spirit of sisterhood, service, and Seva, this is a BOGO offer. This is Tuesday, May the 13th, from 6 to 8:30 p.m., and I will be offering us a light dinner as well. In the stillness, listening woman, 13 moons, Sacred Women's Circle. Satnam.